5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, how do we do this? We go into the woman's Aida syncopation 1 and 2. Watch what I do. I bring my legs here so I can have stability. I don't put it back. So I lose balance to the side. Block the girl. Girl has the right leg free, middle leg. Then the girl closes the legs now and free. 2 and free. That's the transition. The guys will just cross back and free. Then with the right hand I push the girl forward. 4 and up comes the turn. Important point. I give the girl the spin on the 5 and I remove my left hand immediately. The right hand will just keep sliding on her belly, no connection, no power, just gently slide. So it will be like 5, 6. What do I do with the legs on 5, 6? I was here, I just go 5, 6. And now I go close to the girl on the 7 and turn and close. Good. When I do this, I have to put the right hand strong here and the left hand here. For the girls, you need to push down, block your body, power. Guys, you go under her belly button and you grab her. Don't go high. Here, okay? I need to slide with the hand here. Then the right leg will go gently in the knees. I have to go down to pick up the girl in the move. And the right leg is going to be behind her, between her legs. So I'm here and I will go back like this. Stretch the leg, go open the leg so I can balance to the side. Don't do like this because you might fall sideways. So when I do this motion, watch, I'm here down, I open the leg so I can balance myself, okay? Girls, you stretch your feet, you strong on the power, and then you go up. So for the guys, you go down here, and then you bring the girl back up. The girls will go down, and then they come with the legs up. Important, the right hand on the guy's hand, very strong. Okay, guys will hold the girl, and here. Don't open the arm, then you don't have power. Close it to the body, okay, and that's it. Then we go back to me and forward. As I'm here, I wait. The girls, why you have the left leg there? Because before, when we did the spin, you closed with the left. Then you know after the figure, you have the left again. Exit. Sorry. On the exit, I will put my hand here and push her on the 1, so she will be like 1, 2. I only make a step, 1, 2. And then I go with the right hand between her arm and slide free. That's it. Next, and finish.